In this video, I want to show you how to move point features in ArcGIS Pro. For one reason or the other, you may want to move or adjust the position of a point in ArcGIS Pro. To do that, I will show you how to move a point or even multiple points in ArcGIS Pro. So, for example, I have this series of points on the interface of ArcGIS Pro. If I want to move any of these points for one reason or the other, this is how to do it. Come to this edit menu, click on it, then come to this section called feature, and you can see this option called modify. This modify consists of tools that allows you to modify your feature. So click on modify. It will open the modify feature tools, and under the tools you can see a whole lot of tools ranging from move, rotate, scale, annotation, and so on. So in this video, our concern is move. We want to move a point or series of points. So click on move to select the tools. Once you click on it, it has selected the tools. And to move any point, for example, I want to move this particular point. What to do is to click and draw a rectangle around that point to select it. You can see it has highlighted in yellow, which means it has been selected. Now to move it, click and hold, then move to where you want it to be, and then drop. You can see it has been moved from this initial position to this yellow, which is the new position. Then just click anywhere, it will update it. You can see that it has been moved and from the initial position to this very place. So in a situation where you want to move like 2 or 3 points, so what to do is to draw a rectangle around that 3 points. For example, just click and draw a rectangle around this 3 points and leave it. You can see that it has selected the 3 points. Now to move the 3 points at the same time, click and hold this yellow, and you can see as I'm moving it, you can see that it is moving all the 3. So if I leave it at this point, it has moved these 3 points from their initial position to the new locations. So to drop it there, just click anywhere now. You can see it has moved those points from their initial position to the new location. So this is how to move point features in ArcGIS Pro. I hope this tutorial is helpful to someone. Like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.